皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's kanji is this. Means roughness or harshness. On reading is ken. Kun reading is 険しい. The stroke order of this kanji is this. So, combining with yesterday's kanji, ki and kiken means danger, right? So you'll see this kanji, kiken, on the street like this. And it's often the cases that this kiken kanji combining with 注意. So 注意 is attention or watch out, right? So you'll see this kanji on the street like this. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。